Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is an unboxing video. It's kind of a surprise unboxing. I looked up the return address, and it's just a forwarding company, so I'm really not sure what's in this box. I guess we'll find out together. Hopefully it's something watch related or something worth posting on here, on YouTube, that is. So let's just dig into this. Okay, yeah, it's a watch. There's no invoice or anything in the box, so that's kind of interesting. Maybe it's in here. You just open this off to the side here. Well, I guess that's what I get for buying a watch from Aliexpress. No warranty card or paperwork or anything with this watch. That's kind of strange. I have ordered from them before, from the website Aliexpress or whatever, but I've always gotten at least some kind of invoice or paperwork or something, so that's kind of weird. A little bit unsettling, actually. So I Like Watches did a video on this a while ago, and I went to order one and it was out of stock. I kind of forgot about it, and I made a comment on his video about, I'd like to order one, but it's not in stock. And then somebody was kind enough to reply to that comment, so I just took it as a sign to go ahead and buy the watch. So I bought the watch. Of course, now I forgot how much I paid for it, so I'll have to go back in my email. Hopefully they sent me an email. It's kind of weird buying stuff from AliExpress. And every time I go to order something, I forget my dang password and log in, so whatever. Then I have to, ask to get the password reset. Anyway, kind of rambling on here, but let's get this plastic off of here. So this has a Grand Seiko look. Actually, I have a Grand Seiko I could compare this to. And it has a Mechaquartz movement in there, so that's why it has the look of a sweeping seconds hand, and that's why it was moving around as soon as I opened the box. I believe it says quartz there anyway. Yeah, so I think it's a very good looking watch. Let's zoom back out here. I need to do a little more research on this. Let's see if I can find the sales ad again. Yeah, very nice looking watch. I kind of have mixed feelings on buying watches from AliExpress, but I'll watch other reviews, and if it gets a good review, I'll buy one and try it out. It says genuine leather. I don't know what this says. So anyway, let's get this on wrist. Here's another close-up of the dial in the hands. I don't have a very good macro lens to fully study the polishing job on here and the fit and finish. But definitely has the Grand Seiko hands there. Okay, let's zoom back out, and I'll put this on wrist. Leather feels kind of stiff and weird. Feels like it's just going to snap off. Looks to be a milled tang and a milled buckle. Watch is definitely nice and thin. Looks like I will be down to the last. Actually, that's a little bit too tight. Come on. Second to last hole position here. Could maybe go up to 7.5 inches. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. So kind of a small size range for this watch. So anyway, here we are on wrist. Again, 6.5 inch wrist, 52mm wristband. I don't know the specs for this watch offhand. I'll get into all that for the full review. But let me know in the comment section what you think of this watch. I think it's a good looking watch. Pretty sure it has a sapphire crystal. I'm almost positive it does. I won't buy watches. For the most part, I won't buy a watch without a sapphire crystal. But kind of make an exception for Seiko. I'll zoom out real quick and then we'll close out the video. And don't have to worry about doing a loom shot for this one. Alright, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.